A statue stands on the top of a 2-meter tall pedestal. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degrees. And from the same point, the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 45 degrees. Find the height of the statue. Here in this problem, we were given by a statue which is stand on the 2-meter tall pedestal, and from a point on the ground we are observing the top of the statue with an angle of elevation 60 degrees, and also we are observing the top of the pedestal from the same point with an angle of elevation 45 degrees, and we need to find the height of the statue. Let us first visualize this problem using some pictures. So now let us take a pedestal whose height is 2 meters, and on this pedestal a statue is stand. From a point on the ground, the observer observing the top of the statue. So let us consider a point on the ground, that is C. From that point C, the observer observing the top of the statue, that is B, with an angle of elevation 60 degrees. And the next, from the same point C, the observer is observing the top of the pedestal, that is point D, with an angle of elevation 45 degrees. If we observe this figure, we have two right triangles. One is the right triangle ABC, in which the angle of elevation 60 degrees we have, and the second right triangle, that is ADC, in which we have the angle of elevation 45 degrees. Using these two right triangles, we need to calculate the height of the statue. Let us see how. Let us first draw the rough diagram of the given information. Now let us AD is the height of the pedestal, that is 2 meters given, and DB is the height of the statue. And on the ground, let us consider a point C. From the point C, the observer is observing the top of the statue, that is point B, with an angle of elevation 60 degrees. Next, from the same point, the observer is observing the top of the pedestal with an angle of elevation 45 degrees. Now this is the rough diagram of the given problem. So let us assume the height of the statue, that is BD, equals to x meters, and also assume the distance between the observer and foot of the pedestal, that is CA, equals to y meters. Now, using this information, let us calculate the height of the statue. Now let us take right triangle BAC. If we observe right triangle BAC, in this we have the given angle 60 degrees. For this given angle 60 degrees, we have the opposite side, that is AB, equals to 2 plus x meters, and the adjacent side, that is CA, equals to y meters. So here, for the given angle 60 degrees, we have the opposite side and the adjacent side. So let us establish a relationship between these two sides. So for this, let us take trigonometric ratio tan 60 degrees equals to AB by CA. Now root 3, by substituting their corresponding values, we get root 3 equals to 2 plus x by y. On simplifying this, we get y equals to 2 plus x by root 3. Let us take it as equation 1. Now let us take second right triangle. Right triangle DAC. Now let us take right triangle DAC. If we observe this right triangle, we have the given angle 45 degrees. And for the 45 degrees angle, we have the opposite side, that is AD, which is 2 meters, and the adjacent side, that is CA, which is y meters. Now let us add. Here also we need to take the ratio between opposite side to the adjacent side. So let us choose tan ratio. Tan 45 degrees is equals to AD by CA, and substituting their values we get 1 equals to 2 by y. So we get y equals to 2. Now substituting y equals to 2 in equation 1, that is y equals to 2 plus x by root 3, that is equation 1, and substituting y equals to 2 we get 2 equals to 2 plus x by root 3. On simplifying this we get x equals to 1.464 meters. Therefore the height of the statue is 1.464 meters.